Any?
Good day.
You already hit it or what?
It's early.
It is early.
It's cold.
Everyone seems to be
This
up
is
already.
like
though.
my weather. And people have been getting up since like 4 o'clock. Ask me how I know. No, I'm ready to go. Let's get on the road.
You'd be used to the cold, wouldn't you?
Yeah, this is nearly t-shirt weather. I'm all wearing a jumper so you guys don't feel bad.
Oh, I'm freezing, man.
Why? You're from Tassie, dude.
Yeah, but I've lived in Queensland for the last
You've been
15
spoiled.
years.
This is like Tasmanian summer at like 2 p.m, isn't it?
Yeah. Nah, Tassie, Tassie does get cold, I
Man,
suppose.
I've been in Tassie at summer and it gets cold. And then the same day it's like 435 degrees with no wind.
Yep.
Fuck my joint.
There seems to be a lot less organisation in this trailer than there was.
There's no feel the storm in here.
No feel.
We've not had Phil, so that's slowed down the trailer.
How is Phil going?
It's good. He's kind of Motor X.
Yeah?
Yeah.
Sweet.
Yeah, we'll chill out, have the whole OG crew.
Yeah, sounds good.
That's gonna be cool. Finished his house finally,
Nice.
so he's going back to work.
We need you, Phil. We need a Storman.
We also need a proper U-Haul trailer. U-Haul Australia, take note. Copy the U-Haul America trailers, they're way better. These ones suck. I'm not angry, U-Haul, I'm disappointed.
There's a CRESTA leak water too.
No, man. It's got all the creature comforts like windows,
No central locking though.
door seals. No, the battery was turned off. Central
Oh.
locking works when the battery's on.
Yeah.
Windows.
Unlock my door, bro.
Famous last words. I think it's unlocked.
Yeah, dog.
Central locking, look at that. I'll take a bet on how long it takes to start.
10 seconds.
No, I reckon 15 to 20. 23 seconds.
Is that?
33 seconds.
Nah, that was like 20 seconds on the dot.
Nah, we had the timer guy going. Lols count. Should be right. Except all of our lollies are now going to be like concrete because we left them in the cold car overnight.
Oh no,
Don't eat them until like 12
the
o'clock.
snacks.
No snacks.
I can see my breath.
Get it on the brake.
Do it.
Okay, yeah, just too cold.
Wake everyone up. I must say, Benny, I'm very warm in this Go Fast Bits hoodie of mine.
I haven't got my Go Fast Bits hoodie yet.
Oh, really?
I've only got a Hypertune one.
Ah, well, I haven't got a Hypertune one, so hook me up. It's a bit foggy.
What'd you say? I couldn't hear you through the fog.
7 degrees. God dang. I thought you said you're going to get it on break.
I'd leave it running to let the fans cool it down, but I'd have to leave it running for another hour for it to get to temp.
Does that mean it's still a street car?
I don't know. Someone said on the internet because I pulled the thermostat out, it's not a street car, so hashtag no street car. Yep.
Don't touch the turbo, Benny.
Why's that?
'Cause-
Oh, it's hot. Smells hot.
No,
Is
thanks.
it hot? Can you smell it?
Yeah, I can.
Smells like burnt skin.
Smell-o-vision.
That's not. It smells like burnt hair. I don't even have hair on the palms of my hands.
You are a hairy...
Do you have hair on the palm of your hand, Woody?
No.
Ah, you're crazy.
Look at this guy washing his car.
Why not?
I suppose it's love, isn't it?
Yeah. Every cent I got goes into it, so I might as well look after it.
though. Now I'm sticking to the ground.
Be careful, Benny. People will think you're tampering with equipment.
Look at that. This is the knot glue.
Delivery of the
Package
goods.
delivery.
Oh, love it. Absolutely love it. Hang on, I've got to do this one-handed somehow.
Again, not trying to make it.
GDX 55. Is it a 55?
I don't know, it's huge. Is that nitrous injection?
No.
On the exhaust side of the head.
Nitrous
Secret.
No. So there's a nitrous bottle to distract us from the rail and to heat the bottle up.
What is it for?
Stuff.
Stuff.
Day 2, Benny.
Yeah, it's day 2 out at Warwick Dragway of Queensland Drag Challenge weekend with Street Machine magazine. We're currently placed second, but the guy who's in front of us unless something goes wrong, he's gonna win by a fair chunk of time. So
Pretty serious car, eh?
it's a very serious car, man. Like they've got all sorts of magic going on with that thing. So there's a bit of secret squirrels that we've been told about and sworn to secrets here. So see how that goes. It'll be pretty interesting to see how it make it pass actually.
They said they're going to turn it up on Monday apparently too.
Yeah, they're going to wick it up. They're chasing Dynamite's 770 in Sydney last Saturday, trying to get their #1 spot back, but we'll see how that goes. I think it could be a bit of an interesting competition.
You still following us around?
You're following us around.
Thing now.
We were here first. Clearly, we're
Get the suit on, bro.
Hopefully we're one and done, and then we can. You're on my shot, dick.
Bit cold, is it?
The engine.
Yeah.
Oh, it's 65. It'll warm up in a minute.
Oh, hey.
And that big deal is a CRESTA. It's a CRESTA. It's the CRESTA with a Barra in it. So it's a Barra Howard CRESTA. So it's I think it's the way that you go to Randwood. It doesn't vary now for instance. See what
One and done, finally. That was a bit of a pressure.
And got Dylan
So,
to set up. You got Dylan on the 26.
Oh, that was a bit of a default, man. That thing pumped the tyres off the hit,
Yeah.
and then it spun 2 or 3 times again. So I don't want to beat it that way. I want those guys to get some good clean passes, and they'll destroy us tomorrow. So I want them to go as fast as they can as well. So pretty happy with my 590 though. That'll do us pretty well, I think, and we'll get in the bag, pack it up, and get on the road. Sucker! Barra wins!
Take it easy on that roadkill alley. 5'9". Holy crap.
Looks alright.
Yeah.
Pretty happy with it.
Might bring the gap a little bit.
Yeah, we'll close the gap up a bit in the 6 still class. The sign's still in the picture. Here's some bush. We've got the drone footage to back it up.
The drone flying into the tree.
Yeah, but then you can see the whole thing though. Crisp and accurate.
Hey!
Hey mate,
How are ya?
not too bad. What do we know?
Oh, the sky is blue. Benny just did a 596.
That's good.
Yeah, we're done. Yeah, bang. See you later.
Where'd you score the apple pie from?
Sponsored by Bubba.
Alright.
Do you want to nibble on me pie?
I would love a nibble of your pie. Can I?
Of course you can nibble on the end of me pie.
Bite and then just...
Two things in life. People either love or hate McDonald's apple pies, and they also either love or hate Turkish delights. I like both. What about you?
Love apple pie, hate Turkish delight.
We can still be friends because I can share some of it, but I can still dominate the old Turkish delight.
What about coriander?
No, you can have that.
I hate coriander.
You know what I like about coriander?
Nothing.
Nothing.
Yep.
It's good for whippersnipping. So we've got back on the old Dragway game plan. We're one and done. We're gone within 0.1 of our potential best 8th mile pass. So we're just going to bank that and get on the road. Matty's killing it with the pack-up setup, all the gear. So now we're going to cut to a montage of road tripping. We're at Pete's Hot Rod and Resto shop. This is the mandatory checkpoint for the day. We haven't driven a lot yet. There's still a lot of the drive today, so we're quietly confident, but always got to be cautious. So hanging out at the checkpoint. These guys are chucked on a barbie, so we'll have a quick snag and then we'll get back on the road. Just stopped exactly in the middle of nowhere to just have a 5-minute stretch and chuck a bit of fuel in the car. We've burned through about half a tank, so we'll fill her up and get back on the road. These dudes are here in their little XP Falcon. They're just trucking along as well, so they're having a good time. And a bit of a conspiracy theory as to how many people are actually going to do this much of the route, because there's no checkpoint this far out. So, but whatever, we know we've done it, so that's all that really matters to us. But I'm sure there'll be some cheeky little buggers that decide to cut about 200 k's out of it. But that's on them really. If they happen to win and cheat, that's good luck to them. We know we've done it right, so
Bloody oath.
we'll see those fellas tomorrow too.
Nah, we're good. We're just stretching the legs. Hurry up, would ya?
Oh,
Always wait for me.
Day 2 of Drag Challenge weekend in Queensland in the bag. We've done over 400 road kilometres today. We only did a single pass. The road was pretty uneventful. Luckily we didn't really hit anything that was live. Bulk deceased carcass everywhere. I guess the highlight of the drive was probably getting the 5,000 questions from the Queensland Highway Patrol about the car. After a bit of a back and forth, they were pretty happy for us to just keep doing our thing as long as we're not being silly, which we weren't. Yeah, they just weren't too sure about the car being registered and stuff, so once I did some rego checks, they were cool. Car's going good. We do have to jack it up tonight. There's a rattle like a loose V-band either on the external gate or the dump pipe at either end or something, or maybe even the exhaust bracket to mount to the bell housing. So we're going to park up in the car park, take the trailer off. We'll set this up for race mode tomorrow, so I'll put the slicks on, and then I'm going to find that rattle. So maybe Maddie will do the slicks while I find that rattle, and by our powers combined we'll be Captain Planet. Should I just change the oil so we can say we've actually done something to the car this week? Oh, shit. What have we hit with that?
Probably that piece of tyre.
No, that's not tyre, bro. That's something solid. It's taking some good chunks out of the sump. I bet you that was that bit of road I didn't think we hit. So it's just the old dump pipe bolt. It's loose. So I thought it may have actually been the V-band to come loose, but it's actually just the bolt that holds the dump pipe to the bell housing. So we'll nip that up, and then that's us for tonight. We'll have some lemon squashes and hang out with the compatriots before we all go home, go back to our separate states. I'm pretty sure Macca's actually did an apple pie in a sundae at one point. I'm sure that was a thing.
Yep.
In the late 90s or early 2000s. Probably before you were born.